Art Gremlins. So I had some people who asked on Instagram, so I thought I'd go ahead and break it down here as well. So here's a quick rundown of how I varnish my paintings. First up, I use Minwax polyacrylic, and this isn't sponsored or anything. And I'll be honest with you, Minwax isn't the cheapest. Like, it's not crazy expensive, but it's definitely not the cheapest. But I've done a lot of testing and a lot of research. I've had other varnishes that melted my paint underneath them. This is the best one. I am very faithful to this one, and I would strongly recommend it to anyone who wants to know. And then for application, I prefer a foam brush because it's going to give you the least texture in your application, so you don't have to see your varnish as much. And a couple quick tips: you are not going to want to apply varnish even to acrylic paint for about a week to allow the paint to dry all the way through. And for oil paints, your wait time is even longer. Make sure you do your research before you start varnishing. And you actually want to go lighter rather than heavier with your application of varnish. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and go ahead and like and follow for more if you found this helpful.